Hi there and welcome to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a little behind the scenes for my Splash high-speed photography workshop. So what we have got is we have got two tables set up, we have got two fish tanks, and I have put black fabric on both of those. I have got a cloth in between and I have got reflectors on both sides. So I've got a white reflector on this side and a silver reflector on that side. We'll see how we go, which one we like better. I have got the overhead lights on at the moment, but we will be turning them down. You will also notice I haven't filled the fish tanks because what we want to do is drop stuff in and catch the splash as well. So what are we using to light it? So we have got a Godox AD200 Pro using the high speed sync. I have also got on the other side a Godox AD200 Pro 2. No, I've got them the wrong way around. This is the Pro, the other one was the 2, but I'm sure you get the idea. And we're using a strip box just to light the tank up. So that's pretty much the whole setup. So I am utilizing the high speed sync that is in both the AD200 Pro and the Pro 2. And we will be using shutter speeds probably about 1/250th of a second or thereabouts, and capturing some stuff. Now, what are we throwing in? That's a really good question. So we have got some mini capsicums, we've got some mini tomatoes, we've got some strawberries. I have some little plastic toys. So chocolates are just for us to eat. I have some little plastic alcohol bottles. I've got some little pop figures. I've got a can of Coke and a can of Sprite. I've also got some coffee pods. These look really cool as well. I've also got an old school flip phone, which kind of looks pretty funky when you throw it in. So that's pretty much what we're going to be playing with, and I will share some photos with you soon. So I'm just going to show some footage of the girls in the studio. It was a ladies' day today, and we were just putting in various things. A good way to start is to put your camera on a tripod, not to keep the shot steady, but just to hold your composition, because you're up and down, up and down, up and down. Set your focus on something, say a can of Coke or Sprite or whatever, something a bit bigger, underwater. Set your focus there, change it over to manual, and then because your camera's on a tripod, you don't need to change it. We had both the speed lights on 1/16th power, and we were roughly using between 1/200th of a second and 1/250th of a second, depending on the camera. Some cameras didn't want to go above 1/200th, especially some of the older ones, whereas some of the newer ones will obviously shoot much, much higher. The girls also had the cameras on burst mode, whether that was high burst or sort of low simultaneous burst, depending on what's in your camera. And it's just a matter of repeatedly dropping stuff in. Obviously, the heavy items like cans and things like that, you just want to drop gently, whereas some of the other things you need to throw a bit harder, like strawberries and things like that. But that's pretty much it. I will share some photos with you, but that's basically all that was involved, and just some editing. Are you going to say hello, Dexter? No? You're not going to speak? You could say hello to everybody. No? Okay. What about you, Trix? Are you going to say hello? No? Alright. Here are just a few of the photos that I took. I didn't take many because I was too busy helping everybody else. But that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye for now.